Usually I don't make videos of these repairs or anything because it's too much for me that I gotta stop working, explain one by one detail, and set up the camera. And so get a microscope, and it's too much. And I have no intention to make money with the ads or whatever. So, but sometimes people demand it. So here, first one I'm gonna try is it's like zero. This 2017 13-inch touch bar, i7 3.5 gigahertz, I believe, and the detail is printed at the back, so I cannot read it. My eyesight are getting really bad, and it was quite soaked in the water, and now I remove all the covers, and it was found out the PB bus rear is shorted, and lifted a few bad components, and now turn out it is the 5-volt rail PB5ES4 shorted. So I cannot make the videos when I'm working, so it's just trying to explain. And here I found out this U7600, this chip, and this side is clear, and the switch side is shorted. So gotta figure out this S4 rail where it goes, and gotta slowly test it. So when you find out the short, what I do is I inject the power, and in the BB bus rail. So don't want to do too much. So what I did is I did 5 volt, 5 volt exactly, and with high amp. So it goes. So here, this is the short. There we go. And on this side, there's no short. And this DRVL, no short. Here we go. There's 3 pins here shorts. These are the switch. And this switch, they have R7677, and those, it goes back to the feedback. So gotta figure out which one is causing the short, and the other side there's no short. So one by one step after another, you gotta go through. So now we found it which side is shorted, so at least one side is figured out. So one step, you're done. And so now how the power sequence work is important also to figure out. Without the S4 there will be no S3. So how the power come in, like the USB-C come in ISM939, and then it will come. All the power will come, and then when it clear to the S5, it will come out. Okay, S5 working. And when S5 work, it will check S4. And then once the S4 work, it will just jump to SO, because S3 is the sleep mode, standby mode. Anytime power on, like what we call sleep. Yep. S5 is deep sleep or standby. So when it get to SO, which means it's power on, and before it get to the S4, it's shorted on the 5-volt rail. So I don't have to check anything else. The 3.3 volt, everything, all the power rails are already tested, and there's no short. And this is the only guy, and it is using CSD, a Texas Instrument CSD 58879D. So I would try with the 58873D if it's gonna work, because supposed to be switching is just like not a big deal, but I don't have to, because this chip is totally gone. And so now I gotta find out which rail is shorted. That way we can figure out. And once this rail is clear, once this 5-volt, this S4 rail is clear, we gotta find another rail, which one that is shorted, or if it's gonna work. And I will continue with that, but right now I'm gonna figure out which one. So I cannot do live because I did not set up like microscope camera, and anything. It's too